Awooga!
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I
What?
shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away. Forget that you ever knew me. Have a good life.
I'm just doing what she does.